Just kidding. What's up, guys? John here. Welcome to Budgetbuild. Now, we'll get into that in another video. And in case you guys haven't seen the preview for what we got going on, check it out up here. All right. Much better. Much better. All right, so let's go over some questions that I have gotten recently. We're gonna start with one question per video. We're gonna keep it short. And one of the questions that I got is, do you need to gap your rings? And the short answer, no, you don't. This project right here, I'm gonna post a little link right here, and I'll probably post a picture, video, or whatever. This one right here, we did not gap the rings, we didn't open up the motor, we didn't do anything. Nothing, no cam, no springs, no nothing. All we did was put our kit on there, we put our fuel injectors, our fuel pump, of course, and then we put a really good tune, and we didn't have to gap the rings. So, like I said, the short answer is no. Why I didn't gap my rings? I did it for you guys. A lot of you guys want to know. Yep, I know some people have covered this question, but it still gets asked a lot. And I figured I'd go ahead and make a video of why I didn't gap my rings, and should you? No, you shouldn't. Why I didn't? I did it for you guys. Wanted to show you guys that you don't have to gap your rings. You really don't. On this truck, we made sure and had our intercooler on there. Our intake air temperature never went over 100, and we had safe fuel. I think fuel was anywhere from 10.5 to 1 to 11 to 1, and we ran really low timing, anywhere from 6 to 12 degrees, which I think it's pretty. I think it's a safe tune. So, just to recap, no, you don't need to gap your rings. Now, the long answer, like I said, it depends on your tune. If you have a bad tune, then your rings, it's not going to last a long time. Those rings are going to heat up, they're going to butt together, and break the ringland, and there you go, you need a motor. But make sure your tune's good, make sure you have good timing, good fuel, and that's basically it. We did keep the boost a little low. We did go up to about 15, 16 pounds, a couple runs, but we kept it right around anywhere from 8 to 12 pounds. So that's it for this video. On the next one, I think we're gonna go over the best cam for your Turbo LS build. All right, guys, catch you on the next one.